Hello, welcome to Health and Lifestyle. In this channel I do healthy recipes to optimize my health and also show how you can live a healthy lifestyle yet eating things you love and makes you happy. So in this video, I will be showing you a fat-burning juice with just 5 ingredients. So if this topic interests you, please consider subscribing to this channel to keep engaged on all the recipes I will be showing on this channel. So the ingredients for this juice is cucumber, green apples, green grapes, lemon, and ginger. Combining these fruits together helps to boost your metabolism and helps in bringing down the blood sugar levels, thus contributing in the weight loss journey. Please consult your doctor before trying anything if you're allergic to any of the above listed ingredients or have intolerance for any for medical advice. You need to juice these ingredients together to extract the juice to make it easier for drinking. After juicing all these ingredients, I will advise you consume them in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal results. You can continue drinking it throughout the day as well for continuous hydration, even if you have already eaten. You can store this juice in your refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. If you have watched this video to this point, that means you like my video. Please subscribe to this channel for more healthy recipes. God bless you always. Bye.